There's a lot of talk lately about artificial intelligence and what it means for the future of medicine. That's actually a whole other topic for a separate YouTube video that I'm working on right now. But today's video is a little bit more selfish. You see, I wanted to know what artificial intelligence could do for me. As a chief surgery resident, life is really kind of busy. Between our clinical responsibilities at the hospital and me trying to study for my surgery boards right now, I don't have as much free time as I'd like. And that got me thinking. Maybe there's a tech solution for this. Maybe there is an artificial intelligence way of saving me time. And that's what led me to the creepiest piece of technology I've come across yet. The company calls itself Lyrebird, and it's named after a type of bird with an uncanny ability to mimic sounds from the environment. And I mean literally any sound. Right now you're seeing and hearing an example of a lyrebird mimicking the sounds of construction equipment. But unlike the animal that it's named after, Lyrebird, the company, harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to learn the exact intonations and pauses and inflections that you use when you speak. And with the help of this AI algorithm, their software literally produces a clone of your voice. I wanted to check it out for myself, so I decided the best way to do that was to make my own account and let them clone my voice. So as soon as you sign up for an account, it basically starts showing you these stories, and it has you record the stories out loud, one sentence at a time. So each sentence, you click the record button, you read it, and then it captures that soundbite and it's on to the next one. So I'm not gonna read any of these stories for you start to finish because I'm getting a little creeped out and I don't want anyone being able to copy my voice, but I'll show you and read to you some of the sentences, and I think you'll get the idea. Okay, so I have the webpage loaded. I'm just gonna log in real quick, and I'll show you how it works. Martha and Mingus had been married for years. Each morning, Mingus put on a shirt and a tie. The wallpaper was peeling off the walls. To clone your voice, Lyrebird only needs about 60 seconds of audio recording from you. But the website explains that the more audio recordings you make of your voice, the better and better your cloned voice will be. So I decided that whenever I had a couple minutes of downtime, I'd open up the website and record a few more sentences. And then it was time to try it out. Okay, so this is the ultimate test. I'm gonna call my parents and only use the voice from the AI and see how long it takes for them to figure out it's not me. Or maybe they won't figure it out, we'll see. Okay, here goes.
Hello?
How was your night? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, Mom.
Hello.
What do you guys think?
I think you sound like a robot.
It didn't sound like me at all?
No.
Really?
Dimly.
Dimly?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why?
Well, I'm making a video on this new AI algorithm that you train to produce a voice that sounds like your voice.
I see. Wow. It didn't really sound like your voice.
So it failed the mom and dad test.
Yeah. Oh, it wasn't spectacular, put it that way.
Oh. So was this robot clone of my voice a convincing replacement for me? No, definitely not, at least not yet. But I will say that it was surprising and actually kind of creepy how the more I worked with it and the more recordings of myself I put in the system, the more and more that robot voice started to sound a little bit more like me, or at least like a robot David voice. Let me know in the comments below, what are the ways that you think AI is going to change our lives in the next couple years, next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, or longer. And if you're not following me on Instagram yet, hit me up and say hi. All right guys, I'll see you next time.